Welcome back to 7 Life.
Again, don't tell anybody I can sew.
And today we are learning, well, I'm learning how to sew, and we're making masks.
So here's what we got so far. Let me see it real quick. Yeah, I don't know if it's focused or not. Anyways, we got this machine from her aunt that passed away.
Yes.
Samantha will have to tell you, she had a pretty rough year. Her aunt and 2 of her grandparents passed away last year, and she had to put her dog to sleep. So we acquired lots of things. So my mom taught me how to sew when I was little, and I barely remember, but we're getting there. And this machine has all these different stitches, and it's way better than my mom's machine. So I'm pretty excited about it, actually. And
we have all these patterns. Actually, this is my favorite, honey. This fishbone.
Yeah, that's pretty.
That one's really pretty.
Oh, so pretty.
Boom, boom. And as you can tell, I love the color teal. My Nana loved leopard. Woody. It's going to be Evans because, you know, hello, my name is Evan. So I got that. And then we got these cute little patches all from Walmart. I go to Walmart every day. And then pipe cleaners for the nose piece. I don't know, I might tape like 2 together to make it stronger. I don't know yet. I have my interfacing to put in between it. And then shoe ties.
Alright guys, so this thing was a lot more complicated than I anticipated. Samantha's getting pieces cut out.
But first, there's always time for lavender lemonade. I left it in the freezer for too long.
We'll, because we just take a normal frozen lemonade. Yeah, we boiled the lavender. If you want that recipe, leave a comment and we will make a video and include that recipe on how to do that. It really is. It's relaxing too.
What'd you do?
I sewed it on the wrong way. It's on the inside though. It don't matter. It'll be like that. It's definitely gonna tickle my nose. Anyways, turn that off. I don't want to hear it. It's my first one.
Chocolate hummus for the win. Scott, what are you doing? Honey, what happened?
I don't want to talk about it.
He hasn't taught me anything yet.
Well, that's because it's 11/13. 11/11. Make a wish. 11's my lucky number because my name's Evan. Makes sense to me. So anyways.
So do you want to tell everybody the date that we picked?
No.
Okay.
I'm too mad right now.
So he wanted to do wedding planning with me. Well, right now that's stressing him out because we just asked him where he would like to do it. Right now, we're just doing one thing at a time, and I think threw him over the edge with the sewing machine. But we will have masks. And it's a fail for tonight. This is all we got through because...
And that's just a conglomeration of... I
thread.
don't know. You can pull it apart. Pull it hard enough. It'll come apart. It's not super
So,
round.
to be continued. To be continued. All right.
I made it a little bit.
Too small?
It barely goes over my big ears.
Can-
Does it look even?
Yeah, it's actually farther that way. You're seeing great. Okay, ready? Dun, 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 dun.
Hey, we wanted to show you something.
What? Congratulations!
Thanks, man.
Put my gun up.
Hang on, let me do it up and down. There he is.
Only in a Jeep.
It's for our YouTube channel.
Totally dressed right.
You look good.
Yeah.
You look sexy. Only in a Jeep.
Fix my hair.
That's right. Oh, Eddie's known for his hair never having any flaws.
That's right.
Good boy. Be in Eddie's yard. Yes.
7-Eleven.
7-Eleven. Because my name's Evan.
Of this year?
Yeah.
You come up with that by yourself, did you?
What do you think?
I like it.
You like that? Yeah. It's kind of...
Hey there, 7 Live fam. Thanks for watching our latest video. If you'd like to stay up to date with our videos or live events, please consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell and set your notifications to all so you never miss out on our adventures.